Hey guys, welcome to this video. We're going to look at how you can kind of jump into Flipgrid and get started with logging in, creating a class, and then also making your first assignment. So first, let's get logged in. Okay, I already have an account created, so that was a little bit easier for me than it will be for you if you haven't quite done that yet. First thing I'm going to do is create a group so that I can have my class all go into one kind of like place or one folder, if you want to call it that. So give your group a name. You can edit this if you want to make it more custom. And then I make mine private just so that it's for the students only, not for the public. And then right here you have some options as to how you can get your students to join your group. So do whichever one suits you the best. And then some images and stuff like that. And then we'll click create group when you're done. Okay, so let's jump into a group that I haven't used yet this year, which is my AP Spanish class. I'm going to click that. And then let's get started on our first assignment here. So what I'm going to do is add a topic. So I added this topic right here that's just called Hola, yo soy. So I'm going to go through that process really quick. So you can give it a title, give it a prompt. If you want to add a video immediate to it, you can do that as well. So like I did that to give it a sample for whatever the activity is that I'm having my students do. There's so many different things that you can add into the Flipgrid. You'll just want to spend some time kind of browsing around and seeing what you like. One of the most important things that you're going to want to put on here, at least at the beginning for sure, is this button right here that says topic moderation. If you want your students' responses to be private, meaning only they and you can see it, then you want to turn this on. So right now their classmates cannot see what it is that they say with Flipgrid. And you can add some comments, stuff like that, change the recording time right here if you want to. There are some more options. I wanted to show you one more. There's some dates right here that you can modify if you need to. And then the one that I wanted to show you is the very bottom where it says feedback. There's an automatic feedback that it gives you, kind of like a rubric for ideas and performance. This is the one that Flipgrid just automatically created. But if you want to make it custom to fit your rubrics, you can click add criteria. And then you can start adding in your own criteria for your students and how you want to give them points and describe them and stuff like that. So when you're done with that, okay, so once you've done that and you've added your own custom criteria, like I made this one earlier, so I'm just going to click that. You can see that my criteria was fulfilled requirements, and I put the requirements of it right here, and then the amount of points that they got for doing that. Okay, then I'm going to click create topic, and what will happen is your topic will show up right here for whatever it is that you called it. So I'm going to click on that. And this right here is the sample video that I made for my students, because earlier you could add media when you're first creating the topic. So I added this video as a sample. And you can kind of go through, and here's all of the stuff that I added initially, like the prompts and the things I wanted to add on there. I'm going to go through this like I'm a student, so you can kind of see what it looks like for them too if you want to stick around. So a student will see this page. This is where they'll get, oh, by the way, to get them this page, you'll click the share button, and this link, you'll get this link to them, and it'll take them automatically to this page once they've logged in and created an account and everything like that. Now you can get those links to them other ways as well via Google Classroom, Remind, Twitter, etc. So they'll click record a response, and then it'll automatically come to this screen right here. Most basic thing they can do is just click the record button and start recording, and it'll give them a little countdown, and they can start talking, and it's recording them now. The cool thing about Flipgrid too is I can hit this pause button. So it stopped recording, but then I can continue my recording if I click the record button again, and it just goes where I left off. So I click, I'm done recording my video. Definitely as a teacher, you'll want to play around in the effects area and even in the options as well, because you have other stuff that you can do as far as just recording your screen over here in the effects if you want to add some pictures to it, drawing things, add text or text boxes, things like that. There's a lot of cool things that you can do with Flipgrid, so play around with those options as well. And they can start talking, and it's recording them now. This comes to an editing screen where they can clip it, and I'll click next. The student's name will be here, and then they can just click submit. If they want to, they can take a different selfie here if they don't like the picture that it automatically gives them, and then they'll submit it. And then this could take a little bit depending on how long their video is. Complete. All right, so what I'm going to do here and they can. And I've refreshed this page, and you can see that this person, which just happens to be me, submitted their video. So I click on that, it takes the page, and their video automatically starts playing. And then down here, if I want to, I can add a public comment, or if I click feedback, I can give them a private comment, and then I can also grade them on the rubric that Flipgrid gives or the rubric that I've created. So I can give them a score here on ideas and performance. This is the Flipgrid rubric. I can click, once I've typed something in here and given them. Sorry about that. Screencastify likes to cut off the end of my videos sometimes. What I was going to say last is once you finish typing in your comments, just click the email feedback button and it will go directly to their student's email. And that's it. If you guys have questions, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego.